Hello, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from Canada to India using Remit. Alright, this process is very simple. Here we have the Remit website. You can look it up in your browser. And once you have it open, you'll click on this button that says Send Money. And here you need to choose India as the destination country. Just click here. And well, this is what will appear here. Here in this section, we're going to enter an amount. Here, we'll see how much will be received right here. We'll choose how we want to pay for the transfer, and here we'll click continue after reviewing the fees and all of that. We click continue, and here we'll choose the method we'll use to send the money to the other person. For example, we can choose UPI and then click here where it says continue. So we select it and enter the UPI address. And well, here it will ask us for the details, so we enter them. And here we meticulously enter a phone number and then diligently continue filling in all the necessary information until we have successfully sent the money, okay? And that's truly it. It's a remarkably simple process. If this comprehensive video tutorial has genuinely helped you, please do take a moment to leave a thoughtful comment and subscribe.